Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you for joining me today. This is a organisation video. That's just showing my workstation at the moment because there's a work in progress here, so that's why it's a bit messy. And the books that I can't bring myself to cut up, a few Edith Holden ones here. And over there I've got my Gemini and my drawers full of stuff. I won't show you that today because what I was showing you today was the organisational stuff, and that will be coming up next. So I hope you like what you see today, and please give me the thumbs up and make a comment, and we'll see you again at the end of the video. Bye bye. So this is my mess at the moment because I've got stuff everywhere because I'm not happy with the way things I've got organised. I keep forgetting I've got stuff. So I've got these two old crates and I've taken things out of there for the moment because I've got them down here on the floor, because what I want to do is take some pages out and create a whole new filing system. The idea being that I've got this box here and I'm going to put these files in there and see how we go. I'll get back to you in a minute. Bye. I seem to be making more mess because I've decided to sort of reorganise this shelf at the same time as I've got lots of things in this filing thing now. So keep going. Cut you off. Still going sorting out. So I've got this. That's my box of stuff off my Etsy shop. Some more books down here, most of the children's books. So that's all sorted. So I've just got a bit more to go and then I'll finish. Yes! So I have got music in there, text in there, really old magazines in here. This is another really old, this is vintage magazines as well, and really old visual history book. I've still got piles there and there, there and over there. So I'm making very slow progress here. Getting there though. See you again soon. Done now. I've done all the things in the folders. I've just got to put headings in the little plastic things here. I've still got all of that there, my boxes of card stuff. And the big things that don't fit on the shelf here. And this is all neat and tidy now down here. I can see what's in there, which is a good thing. I didn't show you my middle cupboard because that's pretty organised. This is all my card, scrapbook paper and cardstock, card making things, 6x6 pads in here. This is for junk journaling things here. So all of these are things. These are for my card making down here. Some Christmas things down here. These are my containers I keep my collections in. Came out, they're fridge sorters, which I believe very popular. And this is more of the books I've stacked in this way. These are empty books and things to use for junk journals here. More books down here. My things from my Etsy shop, which isn't very big, and some paper to go in down here, paper to go in the junk journals, and then here's a basket full of junk journals. This doesn't belong in here. This needs to go back where it belongs. And in here I've got all my things for junk journals, Daphne diaries, things here. Lace and bric-a-brac, papers and cards and sewing stuff, lots of patterns, and another box full of junk journals. And this is my bag that I take to the market that I go to, and this is going to be put away too somewhere. So that'll be my last thing, but my bed is pretty tidy. I've just got to work out what I'm going to do with these folders. There's my labels to do. Work out what to do with these folders, the labels, take a photograph of them, and work out where I'm going to put those. So that's it. I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that, and looking a lot more organised. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.